There's a $2 bottle sitting in your bathroom cabinet right now that could save you hundreds of dollars this year. And most shops are counting on you, never finding out what it actually does. Here's why that matters right now. The average repair shop visit cost $838. Repair prices just had their biggest one-month jump ever recorded. The average car on the road today is almost 13 years old, the oldest it's ever been. And almost half of those cars are overdue for something that could leave their owners stranded on the side of the highway. More and more people are figuring out that the fix isn't always a shop appointment. It's a chemical hiding in plain sight. The same one mechanics, detailers, and dealerships quietly use behind closed doors. Today, I'm handing you all 11 of their secrets. Stick around, because number 11 might be the one that saves your car's entire look. Welcome back to Automastery, the channel that saves you money and headaches, one habit at a time. Today, we're breaking down 11 ways a plain bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide can replace things you're currently paying someone else to do. Some of these are going to genuinely surprise you. Let's get into it. 1. Removing rust from your tools. This first one alone could save you from replacing half your toolbox. Most people see a rusted wrench or a seized socket and either toss it in the trash or drop $30 on a miracle rust remover from the auto parts store. Here's the thing. Hydrogen peroxide is an oxidizer. It only reacts with the oxidized iron, the rust itself, and leaves the healthy metal underneath completely alone. That's very different from sandpaper or a wire wheel, which strip away good material right along with the bad. Submerge the tool in 3% peroxide for 1 to 2 hours, then scrub with an old toothbrush or steel wool. That's genuinely it. This is exactly the kind of trick more people are leaning on lately. Millions of drivers have quietly become their own mechanic for the small stuff, just to avoid shop labor rates that now average well over $100 an hour. The next one saves the single most expensive component under your hood. 2. Cleaning battery terminals. This one is actually dangerous to ignore. Do you glance at your battery, see that white or green crust building up around the posts, and just drive off anyway? Most people do. That crust is resistance. It forces your alternator to work harder than it should, drains your battery faster, and eventually leaves you standing in a parking lot hearing nothing but a click. Engine off. Negative cable disconnected first, always. Then pour peroxide directly onto the corrosion and watch it fizz away in seconds. Without eating into the terminal metal underneath the way a wire brush can, a dead battery replacement alone can run you a couple $100s. Chase a dying battery too long and drag your alternator down with it, and that bill multiplies fast. Remember, labor now eats up roughly 60% of the average repair invoice. So anything you can knock out yourself goes straight back into your pocket. Do you do this without thinking, squinting through a foggy windshield every single morning on your commute? Because the next hack fixes something you look through every single time you drive Vive 3. Restoring foggy headlights. Shops charge real money, often well over $100, to store headlights that have gone cloudy from years of UV damage. It's one of the most common add-ons pushed during a routine service visit. Right there next to the wiper blades and cabin filter, mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda into a thick paste and scrub the lens in small circular motions. That paste breaks down the oxidized outer layer of plastic and brings the clarity back in a matter of minutes. Foggy headlights aren't just a cosmetic issue either. They genuinely cut down how far your headlights actually reach at night. That's a real safety issue, not just an appearance one. Especially on an older car that's already past its factory bulbs. Your car hates this more than bad fuel. But inside the cabin, there's a bigger problem. Most people are sitting in every single day without even realizing it. 4. Deep cleaning upholstery and floor mats. Professional interior detailing can easily run over $100, and most of what a detail shop is doing to your seats is something you can replicate in your own driveway on a Saturday afternoon. Mix 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, a teaspoon of dish soap, and a tablespoon of baking soda in a spray bottle. Spray it onto stained seats or mats, coffee, food, whatever your kids or your dog left behind. Let it sit for 15 minutes to lift the stain, scrub gently, and blot dry. If you're learning something new right now, go ahead and give this video some hype. It genuinely helps the channel keep making these, and it costs you nothing but a tap. This one connects directly to the next problem, because stains and smells almost always show up together. 5. Eliminating interior odors. Most people try to cover up a bad-smelling cabin with a pine tree air freshener hanging off the mirror. That doesn't actually kill anything. It just masks the smell for a few hours before it creeps back. A 1:4 dilution of peroxide and water, misted onto carpets, headliners, and seat fabric, actually kills the odor-causing bacteria at the source instead of hiding it. Professional ozone treatments for the exact same problem can cost $100 or more at a detail shop. This does the same job for pennies out of a spray bottle. But mechanics really won't tell you this next one because it's one they quietly charge for themselves. 6. Cleaning plastic engine bay parts. Here's the one shops genuinely don't want you doing at home. Because engine bay detailing is a real billable line item on plenty of service invoices, sometimes $75 or more, just to make things look presentable before a trade-in or a sale. Spray a 1 mixture of peroxide and water onto the non-electrical plastic covers under your hood. It dissolves built-up road grime and grease without leaving behind the dusty residue that some degreasers do. Residue that actually attracts more dirt right back onto the surface within days. Here's the part that really matters, though. A clean engine bay makes it dramatically easier to spot a fresh oil leak or a coolant leak while it's still small. Catching it early is the difference between a $50 fix and a $500 one. And with dealership add-ons and inflated service line items already under federal scrutiny for stacking thousands of dollars in extras onto a single deal, doing this yourself is one less thing a shop can quietly upsell you on. And this connects to something even more surprising, because most people have never once considered using this bottle on their windshield. 7. Fast de-icing for windshields. Nobody wants to stand outside scraping ice off their windshield at 6 in the morning before work. A lot of drivers online swap hydrogen peroxide in as a de-icer, mixing 1 part peroxide with 2 parts water in a spray bottle to help melt a thin layer of ice fast without the sore arm. One honest caution here, because this is where a lot of hacks videos get sloppy. Keep this one strictly on the glass. Several detailers point out that repeated peroxide contact can strip wax and dull a clear coat over time, so treat it as a windshield-only trick, not a whole car spray. And always keep a proper scraper in the car as backup for the thicker stuff. But the next one is about something a lot more serious than Iced 8. Lifting organic and protein stains. Blood, or worse, an unexpected mess from a sick kid or a car-sick pet. These stains set in fast and they're absolutely brutal to deal with once they've dried into the fabric. Pour peroxide directly onto the stain. The foaming reaction you'll see happening in real time is the peroxide breaking down hemoglobin and proteins at a molecular level, lifting stains that a regular fabric cleaner just smears around and pushes deeper in. Reupholstering a single seat can cost hundreds of dollars. This handles the same problem for the price of a drugstore bottle. 9. Sanitizing console crevices and cup holders. Your cup holders and air vents are some of the highest touch, dirtiest surfaces in the entire car. Sticky, grimy, and almost never actually cleaned by anyone. Dip a cotton swab in peroxide and work it into those crevices around the shifter, the cup holders, and the vent slats. It scrubs away sticky residue and disinfects at the same time, something a quick wipe down with a paper towel never actually accomplishes. 10. Dissolving water spots. Most people assume vinegar or an expensive commercial cleaner is the only real fix for hard water spots baked onto chrome bumpers or exterior glass. Spray peroxide directly onto the spots and it breaks down the mineral deposits without the harsh fumes that come with stronger acidic cleaners. Left untreated long enough, hard water spots can actually etch permanently into glass and chrome, turning what should have been a 5-minute fix into a full windshield or trim piece replacement down the road. Subscribe to Automastery if any of this is news to you. We're just about to get to the biggest one on the entire list. 11. Restoring faded plastic trim. The big one. This is it. The single hack on this entire list that can make your car look years younger in about 10 minutes flat. Sun-faded, chalky gray plastic trim is one of the fastest things to age a car's appearance from the outside, and it's one of the first things that quietly tanks resale value the second a buyer scrolls past your listing photos online. Dealerships and detail shops routinely charge upwards of $200 for trim restoration packages or ceramic trim coatings to fix exactly this one cosmetic problem. Wipe the faded trim down with a hydrogen peroxide soaked cloth. It breaks down the UV-damaged outer layer the same way it does on your headlights and brings the color back close to factory black in just a few passes. This alone can make a 10-year-old car look like it just rolled off the lot. No shop appointment, no upsell, no $200 invoice. Only ever use the standard 3% concentration. Never industrial or food-grade peroxide anywhere near your vehicle. Never mix it with bleach or vinegar. Mixing it with vinegar creates peracetic acid, which is genuinely harsh on your skin and lungs. And store the bottle in a cool, dark place, ideally its original brown container, or it slowly breaks down into plain water and stops working entirely. So that's 11 ways a $2 bottle from your medicine cabinet can quietly do what shops, detailers, and dealerships charge real money for. From rust on your tools all the way to bringing faded trim back to life. With repair costs at record highs, the average car on the road pushing 13 years old, and nearly half of all vehicles already behind in ads on basic maintenance, the drivers who come out ahead aren't the ones with the newest car. They're the ones who know tricks like these before they actually need them. If you learned something today, hit like. Subscribe to Automastery for more of this and drop a comment down below. Which one of these 11 surprised you the most? See you in the next one.